Danke bafethu. Nayi le moment enkulu yasegemini la uMayo azoshaya khona ipali. It was a beautiful moment for i-Kaizer Chiefs. I mean, uMayo une-good shooting range. Wathola i-groove yakhe, yambuka ukuthi ukuphi uya-track-a, uyabona ukuthi bayadlala, uyasondela ngasebhokisini walibamba, lishaya ipali. Siliqalile phansi nge-slow motion ukuthi abantu bayibone kahle le moment le because it was a beautiful moment for uMayo. I mean, njengoba ngisho ukuthi once uMayo wathola i-groove yakhe kahle ku-Kaizer Chiefs, Kaizer Chiefs izodla ngaye kakhulu. He's a solid striker, esi-versatile, esina-everything ongayicabanga estrikeni. Just nje he has to find his feet for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Once akwenza loko, i-Kaizer Chiefs uzo-contribute-a kakhulu. I-Kaizer Chiefs izodla kakhulu ngoMayo. Uyi-superstar umjida, just nje ukuthi inhlanhla ayikakabi esayidini lakho kwamanje. Once inhlanhla yamthola ukuthi okay, lamabhadi wakhe, because this is the second time if angenzi iphutha ashaya ipali. It's the second time ashaya ipali since elaphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs afikile. So maybe lama moments afana nalawo yam-discourage, but I think uzokwenza kahle kakhulu once athola i-groove yakhe. And from this move siyambona uNdlovu uyakwazi ukurelax, ahold ibhola and nokudlalisa uMayo kahle, ashaya ipali umfethu. What a player though, what a player. I think uzokwazi umfethu ukudlala kahle kakhulu for i-Kaizer Chiefs once wathola i-groove yakhe. What a play. Ngimfisela inhlanhla nje overall ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Akukho lula ukudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs nanokuthi uhandle i-pressure. Sikhumbule ukuthi kwenzakaleni ngayo uma efika ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Ukorile first game yakhe, and then the second time they tried him, kula vele waba namaphutha wakhe ukuthi aqedelele ibhola bekungamelanga lithinte nokulithinta. But he will get there. I think mina I trust. Yabona if khona i-strike kumele sibe u-number 1 ku-Kaizer Chiefs, uMayo, akekho omunye. uMayo, but-ke sobona ukuthi inhlanhla izoba sesayidini lakhe because kwamanye ama-moments udinga inhlanhla. So if you keep hitting ama-post, you keep making some silly mistakes like ukuthi uqedelele amabhola kuma-offside, but I don't think la moment sisazophinde siyibone futhi. But what a great strike, what a good signing. Possibly, yabo, njengoba ngike ngasho uma ngikhuluma ngoMayo ukuthi mengakora let's say 10 goals kuyobe kuyi-successful season yakhe ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi uyafika ushaya 10 goals. Wagcina nje umuntu oyedwa ku-Kaizer Chiefs ngesizini bafethu ashaya 10 goals. Can't remember, man. I don't even remember umuntu like for a couple of seasons manje 10 goals. So uMayo menga-aima nje i-10 goals and akwazi ukuyithola, Kaizer Chiefs izodla kamnandi ngaye. Danko bafethu. Cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Making sure bafethu ukuthi le page ifika ku-15,000 subscribers. Danko.